God's faithfulness. uNkulunkulu ke uthi uMose, I am that I am.
Yeah, that's right.
Ngibona imibuzo ebuzwa nguMose ebuza uNkulunkulu. Ulokhu uyaphinda, uyabuza, uyaphindela, uyabuza. Ngazibuza ukuthi kungani na elokhu ebuza imibuzo kangaka. Ngabona ukuthi uMose ubezidoubt of capability yakhe yokuthi engakwazi ukuthi ayosindisa abantwana bakwaIsrayeli eGibhithe. He made about 5 excuses uma ngabe ekhuluma noNkulunkulu. Base ngizibuza ukuthi ke uma ngabe ethi I am that I am, usuke echaza ukuthi bathabazi kakhulu, usuke expressa i-character yakhe njengoNkulunkulu. Abanye baphinde bethi he is showing his authority. Kodwa ngithe mangithatha ukubheka uma ngabe niyalifunda iBhayibheli, uNkulunkulu uphinda over 1,000 times I am. Okuyinto etshengisayo ukuthi he is the one who is in authority. He is the Alpha and the Omega. He is the beginning and the end. UNkulunkulu ongalali, uNkulunkulu ongozeli, omlondayo uIsrayeli. Bathemini oyinsika yini ebusuku eyinsika yokukhanya. Baphinde futhi ngalibhekisa igama elithi I am that I am. This is not an ordinary name. Akusilo igama engathi mangabe ngikubuza ukuthi ubani igama lakho uthi I am bese uphelela lapho. But it points out the uniqueness kaNkulunkulu. Bathi abamazi kahle, he is Jehovah Yahweh, an unchanging God in changing circumstances. Ngathi mangithatha ukumbheka ngabona ukuthi akafani nabanye onkulunkulu. Bakhona abanye onkulunkulu emhlabeni banezandla kodwa bakwazi ukubamba, banomlomo kodwa bakwazi ukukhuluma. Noma ukhuluma nabanye baze bazithakazele, kodwa wethu uNkulunkulu uthini? Uthi I am that I am, because he is who he is. Baphinde ngabona futhi ukuthi uma ngabe ethi I am that I am, it shows that he is completely set apart.
Right.
He is the Holy One. Bathi abamazi kahle, he is Jehovah Mikadesh, because he is holy. Uyashuda sezwini lakhe athi be holy for I am holy. He is God all by himself. He is a God that is powerful, the faithful God. Aphinde ngabona futhi ukuthi he is the God who fulfills all his promises. Ukusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ohleze khona, an omnipresent God. Ngoba wayekhona emandulo, umhlaba ungakasekelwa. Sithi noma sinokwesaba sikwazi ukuthi sibalekele kuye. Athi uMoses uma ngabe lalele noma ekhuluma nabantwana bakwaIsrayeli, umhlambi kaFaro ubalandela ulwa nabo. Uthi do not be afraid, because the Egyptians that you see today, you will see them no more. That's the kind of God that we serve. uNkulunkulu othembekile noma kungathembisi. Kaphinde ngabona ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu wethu esimthanda kangaka akathandi ukuxoxa ngezinto, because he is a jealous God. Inkinga yethu bazalwane, siyathanda ukuthatha uNkulunkulu simxube nezinto zezwe, sikhohle ukuthi he is completely set apart ngoba uNkulunkulu yena yedwa. uNkulunkulu ongathathi entweni. uNkulunkulu ongathathi entweni ngoba uyizinto zonke yena. Kase ngibona futhi ukuthi kubalekile bazalwane ukuthi regardless of the fact that we are going through trials and tribulations, kumele simbonge uNkulunkulu for his faithfulness. Kungani na ngithi kumele simbonge? Umbonga kanjani umuntu uhluphekile? Umbonga kanjani umuntu ugula usesibhedlela? Umbonga kanjani umuntu uhlele ekhaya ungasebenzi? Umbonga kanjani umuntu ekhaya ungekho ukudla etafuleni ningazi ukuthi uzolala midleni? But ngoba we are dependent on him, asiyilutho ngaphandle kwakhe. Every breath that we take, he is there. Every heartbeat that is there. Our lungs, nemizimba yethu, they function because God is there. And he says in his word that he shall supply all our needs according to his glorious riches. That is the faithful God that we serve. Because he is our cup, the very same cup that we draw from. A cup, then it overflows. We draw from that cup. Engapheli. Esinye isizathu senza ukuthi ngithi masimbonge uNkulunkulu for his faithfulness is that he's an eternal God. He who was and is to come. He never changes even though our circumstances and situations change. Uyiloyo uNkulunkulu loyo. Isizathu sesithathu esingenza ukuthi ngithi masimbonge uNkulunkulu. Ngineshoyo ukuthi each and every one of us abangakhona ngaphakathi la, uNkulunkulu has a track record of our lives as proof that he is a faithful God. uNkulunkulu uyasinikeza ama-second chances even though we do not deserve them. Khumbula ngenkathi unkosikazi owabanjwa who was caught in the act of adultery, instead of God or of Jesus condemning her, wathi go and sin no more. Lo uNkulunkulu wethu ke usho nawe noma ungona kodwa mangabe usivuma izono zakho uthembekile yena futhi ulungile uze axoxe ukubonakala kwakho. Lo uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo. Mhlawumbe la you have not received the blessings that you have been praying for. Maybe your prayers have not been answered. Mhlawumbe uzama ukuhlanganisa impilo ayihlangani. Usesikolweni, the degree is not coming together. The pain that you have been harboring for years, hleli ngaphakathi kuwe. That abusive spouse or abusive partner ohlala naye. The depression that is holding your life back. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uthembisile, uthe ezwini lakhe, I am not done with you until the perfect work is done. Because he is a faithful God. Athe encwadini yabaseKorinte besibili, siyacindezelwa ngazonke kodwa sinyekeli, siyaxakeka kodwa sidikibali, siyazingelwa kodwa asidelwa, siwiswa phansi kodwa siyavuswa. That's the type of God esimkhonzayo bazalwane. Such a faithful God. uNkulunkulu ongabheki ibala labantu. uNkulunkulu ukuthi noma kade usumflathele, afika kubambe ngesandla kutakule athi ngihamba nawe mntanami. Kilo uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo. Athi umhlabeleli noma siyahlushwa, noma siyadelelwa, kodwa ilanga lethu liyeza. Ngathi ngiyambona ehlele esihlalweni sakhe sobukhosi, izingelosi zimhuba zithi uyingcwele, zithi uyingcwele, zithi uyingcwele. Naye-ke bese yaphendula athi before Abraham ngangikhona, ngiyimini ukukhanya, yimina impilo. I am the light of the world, I am the good shepherd, I am the way, I am the truth, and I am the life, I am the resurrection and the life. That's the God that we serve. uNkulunkulu ongozeli, uNkulunkulu ongalali, omlondolozayo uIsrayeli. Bazalwane, nangu uNkulunkulu emahala. Nimnamkele na. As much as he's a faithful God, are you faithful to him? As much as he's a faithful God, are you faithful to him? Ngoba bazalwane, imfazwe isibambe nxa zonke enesiyahluleka ukuthi sibize igama laNkulunkulu empilweni zethu. Kodwa usasho namhlanje ukuthi I am that I am. uJesu Kristu Nkosi yethu. Amen.